sharks.
Those aren't sharks. Paddle! Paddle!
Yeah, sharks would be better.
It's Charybdis! What?
She guides the sea of monsters!
Oh!
Bيرسي!
It's not working!
The sea of monsters might not be in Poseidon's domain!
Hold on!
Where are we?
Smells like the stomach. Watch your step. What is this stuff?
I don't think you want to know. This has to be the worst way to die ever.
Yeah, everything that disappears in the Bermuda Triangle, well, this is where they end up.
Oh, come on! That sounded like Clarice.
No, it couldn't be her.
You ridiculously stupid moron!
No, it's her.
You idiot! Better keep my electrical grid up and running or I'll plug your heads into it!
Clarice! Hey!
Jackson? What are you doing here?
We got swallowed up, just like you. Nice ship.
Yeah, my dad's got tons of this stuff left over from wars throughout history. It's either this or a Huey from Vietnam. I figured a boat would be a little more practical.
What's going on?
Pretty much exactly what you think goes on inside of his stomach.
You're right. That really is the worst way to die.
Reardon! What in Hades is going on with my engine? Is it ready yet?
Almost, ma'am. They're working on it.
Wait, your crew's zombies? Well, they prefer dead Confederate sailors whose lives have been given in tribute to Ares.
But zombies is fine.
Reardon! Gun! Faster now!
Gun is hot, Captain. Locked and loaded.
Aim it at that meat grinder!
Wait, you want to shoot that thing with this?
Well, do you have a better idea? Because now would be the time.
Hey, Clarice.
What?
Can you steer the ship?
Oh, no, I just finished driver's ed. Yes, of course I can steer a ship.
Well, why don't we give her a stomachache? We'll escape through the gut.
Well, just my work if it doesn't kill us first.
You steer, I'll shoot.
All hands below deck! Good luck, Percy.
All hands below deck. This is not a drill. Come on, boys. Get in there.
It's still my quest. Do not screw this up for me, Jackson.
You should watch what you eat. Go!
No kidding, genius.
Oh, I hope this works.
Just don't forget.
Forget what?
This was all your idea.
Oh, come on.
I can't take this anymore! It's been 2 days!
Calm your temper! Calm your temper!
I haven't had a decent meal since those half-bloods you brought. And this stupid fleece is supposed to lure satyrs. Do you see any satyrs around here? This hunger is making my eyesight worse. I could just eat you. If you weren't a cyclops. Huh?
Grover. Grover. Come here. Percy. Hey. Why are you wearing a dress? I'm having a really bad day. Hey. Do not let that go viral.
Sorry, there's just no way the other kids would believe me otherwise.
Look, this is a disguise. The guy's half blind. He thinks I'm a Cyclops chambermaid. I'm showing mad survival skills here.
And on a small amount of leg.
Funny. I was trying to stay uneaten long enough to figure out how to get the fleece off of him.
So did you. Do you think I'd still be dressed like this if I did?
It's a good look. Thanks, Tyson.
I'm Clapsies. How about I cook you something to drink to calm your nerves?
I don't know what to do anymore.
Go.
This fleece used to lure satyrs every day. Huh? Now things are so bad, I even had to eat my own sheep. The whole flock! They were tender, though.
Trap me, and I promise you'll never hear the end of it.
You smell something? Smells like half-bloods. Huh? Half-bloods!
Get up quick!
I was right! You stay right there! Woman, get a fire going!
That's not good.
On second thought, I'll just eat you raw.
Hey!
Huh?
Hiya. My name's Tyson. How are you? These guys are my friends, so I was hoping maybe we could talk. You know, Cyclops to Cyclops.
You pissant with one eye.
Hey, not nice.
You're no Cyclops. You're a traitor to your kind.
To be honest,
Huh? What?
he's my kind.
You disgust me. Going somewhere? I think you've got something in mind. Get back here, you bug.
Hey, yo, Clapsies!
Huh?
I quit!
Wait, you're a dude? Well, that explains a lot.
Say goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
You deceitful little brats! I'll tear out your flesh!
Come on.
Go!
Give me that fleece! You're dead! I'm gonna kill all of you!